Welcome! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you'll need to do is to probably wake up the screen on your watch. And to wake it up, simply press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, in the menu, scroll down, find the option called SpO2, that's the blood oxygen levels, tap on it. Now, I'm gonna put the finger on the sensor, tap on the screen, or press the upper button. No, let's try opening it again. Okay, now it's working, so basically you need to reopen it if you have the message, or try to swipe right on the screen maybe. But your watch should start measuring the blood oxygen levels automatically, as you can see, once you open the widget. So let's wait for the results. And here we have it, that's our result. And once you're done, you can also, no, you can't. I told you can like swipe right, left and right on the screen, but you can't. So basically, once you get the result, you can close the widget. If you want to measure it again, simply reopen it. And after a minute, or not even minute, that's a couple seconds, basically, you will get the result. Like this. Okay. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.